All right, folks, today we are going to be starting our unit on Tennessee. So, I want you to begin by thinking about what comes to your mind when you hear the word Tennessee. What do you think of? Pause the video right now and write on your worksheet 2 or 3 things that you think of when you hear the word Tennessee. Okay, you're back. Let's see if you thought of some of the same things that I did. On the next screen, you're going to see a few things that I think of when I hear Tennessee. One first things that comes to my mind is this TriStar Tennessee. We're going to find out today or later in our unit what these 3 stars stand for. And I usually, when I think of Tennessee, this image comes to my mind. I think of music when I think of Tennessee. Nashville is called Music City, USA, and it's famous for country music. So the guitar, the cowboy hat makes me think of country music. And then these 3 instruments are used in bluegrass music, another kind of music that's famous from Tennessee. Well, you can't think about music from Tennessee without talking about somebody who's famous from Tennessee. I think about Elvis Presley. He's from Tennessee. Then I think about some sports teams. I think about the Tennessee Titans. Back here we have the emblem for the Predators kind of hidden behind there. And of course, you can't think about Tennessee without thinking about Tennessee football, the University of Tennessee. And I think about some different places in Tennessee. Here's a picture of the Mississippi River. Here's a picture of the Nashville skyline. This is what's usually referred to as the Batman Building. So, just a few things that I think of when I think of Tennessee. Well, we're going to start by talking about Tennessee geography. So, where is Tennessee located? What states are around it? Where can I find some cities in Tennessee? We're going to get started with those things today. So, the first thing, let's talk about bordering states. Now, we know we've talked about it before that bordering means they touch each other. So, if states border, they share common land. So, for example, Tennessee borders Kentucky. Tennessee and Kentucky border each other. Okay. There are several states that border Tennessee. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 states border Tennessee. So Kentucky shares this border with Tennessee. Virginia also borders Tennessee. North Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, and Missouri. So all 8 of those states border the state of Tennessee. Only one other state borders 8 states. See if you can find out what it is. Let me know if you can find it out. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to leave that up to you. So Tennessee is bordered by 8 states. All right. So I mentioned to you when I showed you some things that I think of with Tennessee, I said that tri-star symbol that had the 3 stars in the middle. Tri-star means 3 stars. And those 3 stars, you can find them on the Tennessee state flag, and they actually stand for 3 grand divisions of Tennessee. 3 grand divisions of Tennessee. Tennessee is divided into 3 areas or divisions. It's divided into East Tennessee, Middle Tennessee, and West Tennessee. And while we're all part of the same state, each of those divisions have some things that are different about them, and we're going to learn some more about that later in the week. You can see right here's Putnam County. Cookeville is in Putnam County. So we are in Middle Tennessee. That's which division we're in. We're in Middle Tennessee. So 3 grand divisions of Tennessee: East Tennessee, Middle Tennessee, West Tennessee. And Cookeville, we're right here in Putnam County. Cookeville is in Middle Tennessee. All right. Now, the next thing I want you to do is we're going to learn where some of the major cities in Tennessee are located. We're going to talk about the 5 largest cities in Tennessee. We're going to find where they are on the map. And we're going to talk about some rivers that we can find in Tennessee as well as mountain ranges. So you're going to need to go to the next video so that we can work together on completing the map that you have today. Where did it go?